Hey, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we are working on Module 3, Lesson 36 of EngageNY. Our objective is to multiply two-digit by two-digit numbers using standard algorithm. Here are vocabulary words. We have multiplication, factors, multiples, and products. These are the words we'll be using. We need to look at our steps for double-digit multiplication. Our example is 53 times 37. If you see that there's different colors, this is the colors we're using for each place value unit and our regrouping. So the first thing we do is we place our problem in. So we did 53 times 37. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my ones column, my 7, and multiply it by the 3, and then multiply it by the 5. So if you look, 7 times 3 is 21, and we had to carry a 2 over. So we could do 7 times 5 plus 2, and that's how we got our 37. Now we need to add a 0. This is to hold the place because now you're multiplying the tens column. So this ain't just 3 times is not 3. This is 3 tens times 3. So we put the 0 here to let us know we're multiplying by our tens column. And then we multiply by the 5. So we get this is our answer. When we multiply, we always start off the ones column and work our way over. And then we add everything. 1 plus 0, 7 plus 9. And we carry our 1, 1 plus 3 plus 5, and 1 plus nothing. So our answer is 1,961. We always need to make sure we clearly state our answer. So let's go look at an example where we can practice. We have 45 times 18. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and write it the way it's written, 45 times 18. And then here my scribble, I'm going to do it where I do 18 times 45, so you can see that it doesn't matter which one you put where, you get the same answer. So right here we have 8 times 5, which is 40. I drop my 0, and I carry my 4. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and write it 36. I am now done with the 8. So technically now this, because I'm done, becomes a 0. So now we're going to do 10 times 45. Okay, and because of that, 0 times 45 is 0. So now we're putting our placeholder in. Now I can do 1 times 5. And 1 times 4. Now remember, this 1 isn't just 1, it's 110 times 5. Now I'm going to add 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5 is 11. I drop 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. So 45 times 18 is 810. So I'm going to quick jump into the scribble, you guys. And I wanted to show you that it's up to you on which number you put first, which number you put second. If you're more comfortable multiplying by 4 and 5, you can do the 4 and 5 on the bottom. So I'm going to show you with some scribbling on how this works. So we're going to first start off multiplying like this, where we do this one first. That is purple. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And then we next go to this way. And that is green. So we do 5 times 8, which is 40. So I'm going to drop my 0. And because I've already changed everything up, I've got to change it back. And then I'm going to carry my 4. Okay. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. I'm going to cross this off because I've used it. Now I'm going to go ahead because now this 5 becomes a 0 because I've used it, right? And 0 times 18 is 0. And then I go to my 4 tens. I have 4 times 8, which is 32. I'm going to drop my 2. And then right over here, I'm going to add my 3. So the reason I crossed off my 4 is to remind me I've already used it. Now I do 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 3 is 7. Now I'm going to add this, you guys. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 2 is an 11. So I drop my 1 and I carry my 1. And 1 plus 7 is 8. Now we're going to quick go back and see if our numbers match up. So I'm going to hit save, 810, 810, 810. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you do your multiplication properly, you should get the same answer. Well, if you do your multiplication, you will get the same answer. As you're doing this, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so when these neat videos come out, you can learn some more neat strategies. Like something I always like to say is take your time. Don't panic. It's all good. Just take a breath. You got this. Take your time. And remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.